Hello everyone, today we are here at a brand new listing I have over here in Cairnhill Rise. We are here at the development called Alba. Alba is a freehold development consisting of 50 exclusive units, and we are here in one of them. Today, we are very honoured to be showing you a 3-bedroom unit consisting of 1,905 square feet of space, and on top of that, having a private lift as well. Without further ado, let's view this unit. If you like this video so far, do smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell to get notified for more luxury listings like this. As this unit comes with a private lift, there's also a common lift lobby down here as well. Come on, let's take a look. So your deliveries can be delivered to you from this entrance from the common lift lobby. Right now we are here in this living room area. This living room is large enough for you to fit a couch over here so that you can host a date night or movies night together with your spouse or partner after a long day of work. This unit comes with 2 separate kitchens, and we are here in the gourmet kitchen. In this area, you're able to prepare your coffee to serve it up over here in your island together with your power breakfast to start your day. The island area can also double up as a wine tasting area for you to host your friends to come over to taste the wine from all over the world. Cheers! In this gourmet kitchen, we come with a built-in microwave, wine chiller, and also refrigerator and freezer as well. Entering into the wet kitchen, we actually greeted with 3 gas stoves and 2 induction cookers, where you can actually decide which you want to use to prepare your meals. And moving on, we have an area over here that's large enough for you to fit a 2-door fridge. And all the appliances here are coming from Bosch. In this kitchen, it comes with a built-in oven and also a dishwasher if you need to wash your dishes after a long party night. Moving on to the yard area and the toilet area. Come on, let's take a look. Right now we are here in a very unique part of this house. We have a toilet over here which allows you to have your guests to relieve themselves separate from the main unit of the house. And this is a sliding door that allows you to hide away the separated washer and dryer down here. Right now we are here in the dining area of this unit. This dining area is actually large enough for you to fit a 6-seater table or even fit a rectangle table over here so that you can actually host guests coming over to enjoy this picturesque view together with you. If you like this video so far, do smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell to get notified for more luxury listings like this. Right now we are here in one of the common bedrooms. This common bedroom is large enough for you to fit a king-size bed over here. And on top of that, it comes with an ensuite bathroom. But before we head into this ensuite bathroom, this area actually has a study area being built in for you, so that in case you have any of your work from home needs being needed to have a quiet place, to have meetings and etc., you are able to do it down here. Right now, let's move on to the bathroom. In this common bathroom, attached to this common bedroom, we're actually having sanitary fittings from Hansgrohe, Kohler and Roca. Right now we are entering into the common bathroom. This common bathroom is a concept called Jack and Jill together with this bedroom. This common bedroom is large enough for you to fit a king-size bed down here, and on top of that we are having a built-in TV cabinet down here. Right now we're in the most important part of this unit. We are here in the master bedroom. This master bedroom is large enough for you to fit a king-size bed down here, or even if you need to, you can fit a super king bed as well. Now, let's move on to the bathroom. Before we head into the master bathroom, we are here in an area that's your wardrobe area that you are able to build a walk-in wardrobe if you ever need to. In this area, we are very blessed to have a super large area so that you can have a dry area down here, or you can actually have a segregated shower area, toilet area, and also a bathtub for you to soak and ponder upon what you need to do next in life. Alba is a freehold modern luxury development tucked away in an exclusive enclave at 8 Cairnhill Rise. Each aspect of this development is thoughtfully crafted with exquisite attention to detail. Located in prestigious District 9, the luxurious 50-unit development is a short stroll from Orchard Road, a Singapore shopping and entertainment belt. This development is designed by world-renowned US architects. Alba's unique and distinctive Y-form layout offers greater living space and scenic views. This is an Inessence development by Far East Organisation. We are within 3 minutes drive to Newton MRT station and 4 minutes drive to Orchard Central. And also we are 8 minutes walk to Paragon Shopping Centre. We are 6 minutes drive to Anglo-Chinese Junior, 11 minutes walk to Newton Food Centre, and we have concierge service here as well. Dining pavilion and dining pod. Gymnasium, lounge pavilion, spa pool, swimming pool. I'm Randall, and actually I created this luxury listing series for you to view luxury homes around Singapore. If you like this video, do smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell to get notified for more luxury listings like this.